Hello everyone, every week we bring some iconic figures from the field of interior design, architecture and construction field. So today we have one. She has got a lot of experience. She knows about each and every product which goes into making our houses or offices. She has got a strong knowledge right from the production of that product to the usage and applications. Currently, she is heading the sales and marketing division of Durian Industries, a company which is known for its brand, its trust, and its delivery. Let's welcome Ms. Sangeeta Ahluwalia from Mumbai and let's understand her journey so far and unravel what are her prospects about this industry and what she has to say about the industry and all. So let's welcome Sangeeta. Hi Sangeeta, welcome to Design Icon. We are very honored to
Hi,
have you
Sumit.
on our platform. So Sangeeta,
Mm-hmm.
uh, I personally know you, but for the sake
Yes.
of our audience, can you please
Yeah.
elaborate about your journey? You are a successful product designer. You are into marketing, and you are heading a lot of
Marketing.
products. You have also
Mm-hmm.
handled a lot of products, helped many international brands to develop their market in India as well. Can you elaborate your
Yeah.
journey about how it started, when it started, and
Yeah.
where are you right now? We want to understand from you.
Okay. Thank you. First of all, thank you so much for having me. And my journey started almost, I came from North to Mumbai and I started my career with Durian as a PR manager.
Okay.
And after that, I mean, I was there for 2 years. I was enjoying my work, but since I think 12 to 13 years back, when you
Mm-hmm.
are pretty young, you feel like you can achieve anything. So I started jumping to another job, and I worked with Villeroy and Boch. And
Mm-hmm.
after that, Villeroy and Boch, most of, you can say, all European companies I joined,
Mm-hmm.
and had a very good relationship with all political people, the celebrities, and all high-end clients, because that all European client were companies were you can say really super luxury. So I was working with them, but then since we have a very limited super luxury client, maybe 3 to 4%, I so I'm back to my roots, that is Durian again, and I am doing a good job here, I guess. That's all I'm
Yeah.
doing currently. Yeah.
Sangeeta, you have currently you are into your heading furniture part, and they have a spectrum of products with Julian. So beyond this, you have handled other products as well in home
Yeah.
furnishings and in office furnishings. So
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
all products have you handled in your career as of now?
Basically, if you talk about the product line, I handle when it comes to bathroom or sanitary ware, premium bathroom, a super luxury bathroom that called Villeroy and Boch from Germany. And then the Koiko, again, it is a bathroom with the
They're a very
uh,
luxurious brand. They're from Europe as
they
well.
are they and Koiko also is again is a premium bathroom brand. So
Mm-hmm.
Koiko was a little you can say only for accessories for hospitality and bathroom. There was no WC part. So that the two brand I worked. Then one Italian brand for fenestration. That was a
Mm-hmm.
super luxury, and I tend to meet all Sachin Tendulkar, Ritik Roshan, Ajit Pawar, such
Wow.
kind of celebrity. I met them. I happened to have coffee with them. In fact,
Wow. Wow.
so
Wow.
that was a fenestration, doors and window from Italy that I
Yeah.
did. But
Yeah.
now I'm back to my roots, and Durian is a mass brand. Here I actually take care of two profiles, a little bit of event management, PR, and some project selling. I do some corporate clients like Remin, Reliance, and Adani. These kind of client I'm handling here. So
Wow.
so far it's good. Yeah.
So, in your like right from the starting journey, you have always handled very high positions. So, Sangeeta, how is it when you meet any like CEO of the company or maybe celebrity? What kind of
Mm-hmm.
expectations they have while selecting these products or finalizing these products?
I will talk to regarding this. I mean, no matter he's a celebrity or he's a normal, a layman or some middle class client. End of the day, everything works with the great communication. If I'm sure you will recommend that because everybody's looking for the, of course there is a conversation, there is a, you need to sell to them, but there's what works end of the day, be it a business and be it a project, be it a retail, that is completely relationship, that I think. And they look for, personalized treatment,
Mhm,
and
mhm.
they look for, of course they look for the brand, they put the budget, everything they look. No matter it's a Sachin Tendulkar, maybe he's not coming, upfront, but his project director is there, he's looking for some discounts and everything. But end of the day, what works, that is good, great communication skill is the key, I will say.
Like when you are your product and along with it has to go with other products as well, it has to completely
Uh-huh.
fit in the entire interior parts as such. How do you kind of gel all things together? Because there are project coordinations as well, there are cost factors, there are technical
Mm-hmm.
specifications of so many
Yeah.
products. So how do you handle all these things together? Like you have a team.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
how
yeah.
you kind of, if you
Basically,
can elaborate.
yeah, basically when, I'll start from maybe, when we are in an inquiry stage, there I meet the client, or maybe the person who is heading the project, or maybe it could be a designer, it could be an architect. But first I'll meet, then I have a complete support from my company. They give me a technical support for the, then there is something commercial. So
Yeah.
I have a team for every company, be it a sanitary ware one, the European one, or maybe this
Uh-huh.
durian.
Uh-huh.
I already always have a team to work with. So they always support me if it's a technical, because if I'm selling a 3,000 door to Adani, so I know the door. Door has a four thing, architrave,
Uh-huh.
some frame, some laminate, but what should be the correct
Yeah.
thickness of
Mm-hmm.
the door frame, that
Yeah.
now I know, but initially I was not knowing. So I have a team, so they always support me. Without team, nobody can work. Maybe I can talk, but
Yeah.
I'm not the person who can get into. And I think seeing my profile, I have to much needed knowledge I have. So I have a team.
So
You can say they.
you have
Yeah.
been an expert into this field. You know almost all products which goes into home interiors and office interiors.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
don't you find it may be like completely draining to have all the knowledge together, and what gives you a kick, what gives you an inspiration to keep moving forward? What is your inspiration basically?
My inspiration to keep moving, aim high, always aim high. So the proverbs, if you shoot for a moon, you'll get into stars. So you just keep working hard, faith, believe in yourself, and of course the company you work with. And that's the, I think, in fact my MD used to tell me when I joined earlier, when I was, Duran is my first job that time. So they told, Sangeeta is a self-motivated personality, so I don't need anything. I work with emotional quotient. Of course, people work, so I'll get into, if somebody is telling me I don't feel like, I'll share with my people, I share with my senior. So that's the thing. It's, I mean, end of the day, hard work and believe in yourself. And
Wow,
of course, success, happiness that comes with that. It's like a bonus. Yeah.
that's really a words of wisdom. So, Sangeeta,
Mm-hmm.
you have started. You have a lot of experience. You've started like you've almost 12 to 15 years of experience to my knowledge.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Same.
also, well,
2008.
nowadays we are seeing technology everywhere. How
Mm-hmm.
this technology helped you to in your work or in your industry? If you can elaborate on that. Yeah.
Yeah, initially, if we get some 3,000 small office to quote, so
Mhm.
we will give the thing to our designer, they are expert to, place a chair here. Now, there are the system, there are software, you just put it there. It's a technology. So
Mhm.
you just need to sit and work on the entire maybe 3 days or a week if it's a bigger office. So you just
Yeah.
need to work on the technology is there, and then you just need to put some sizes. You'll have an entire. I think there is a system called Neo from Bangalore. They have
Uh-huh.
this kind of we have a because our office is always updated with all these things. So
You have been working with some of the premium architects, not only in Mumbai
mhm.
but beyond the geography of Mumbai as well. So
Yes.
do you find any difference while working with any architect or any architectural agency vis-a-vis when you are working directly with celebrities or directly with any client?
Actually, it is a challenge when architect or designer is involved. It's a challenge because they know their field, they know their subject so well, and we are not like that. We know here, they know in depth of this thing. So when they are involved, client will always look the aesthetic and they'll pass the stuff. When the architects
Uh-huh.
involved, they know so well and they are doing their best of job. So then we have to be extra careful when architect and designer involved. So because they don't bother about the money part, the budget part, they look for what they
The
are
end
assigned
project.
for.
Yeah.
End project assigned for. I did Raymond. Uh, they have a big office. I did with them quite a few. I think workstation more than 600-700 workstations. They look so beautiful. Even Mr. Singhania was so happy seeing all that. But architect has certain
Uh-huh.
queries, this the smoothness of the edges, then the some pedestal, the raceway. So they have, and they want a very finished product.
You have also worked in very high scale projects. When
Mm-hmm.
such kind of projects do come to you, how do you plan? Like, you have delivered a lot of successful projects. I know you personally
Mm-hmm.
as well. You have dealt with
Mm-hmm.
very premium and
Mm-hmm.
high scale projects as well. So always there is a pressure of getting it successfully done. What is your
Yeah,
way
yeah.
of planning, or what ingredients you feel are very important for making a project like this into a successful project?
So it's a teamwork. End of the day, and teamwork with the architecture team, with the client project team, and we as a company, we as a vendor. So that's the best thing when we work and understand what exactly they needed. Sometimes budget is a very big thing, but
Mhm.
since client looking for budget, architect is looking for design, and we need to sell. So the
Yeah.
three things to combine with again teamwork, understanding to each other, and try to make they make us understand, and we try to make them understand. This is the only thing we
Okay.
do,
Nice.
and project gets executed well. But
Wow.
sometimes, yeah, you have. Sometimes it
So,
happens.
so
Deliveries are problem. Yeah.
what is your take on brand? Product does a product create a brand, or a brand creates a product?
Uh, the way customer or client is looking for a brand for his office or his home, this the same way companies are also looking for such customer they can trust on. It's like both. So brand is always there. They look for brand, they look for pricing, they look for the how the project will look nice if it's a big project. And I guess most of the time it is a brand. Most of the time it's brand. And
Okay.
the process, how much time, process, pricing, brand, they all look into that. Then they decide. Basically, customer is only person who decide and who develop, or maybe who keep the brand here or keep the brand, I mean, anywhere.
Okay. Nowadays, what do you feel? Is it like online presence of brand? Do they really like play an important role into the minds of clients, or is it like offline presence as well, which plays an important?
Online stuff is, I think, quite in, but at the same time, if he needs just a side table, he can buy online. But if he needs a complete office, he cannot. He, in any which way, if somebody's, like it's be you or me, we always want to feel and touch the stuff.
Yeah.
So we need to see the polish, we need to see the aesthetic, because sometimes online furniture or online any product for that matter, but they need to feel and touch. So online is good for sure, but only for a small quantity, some one chair or some side table or some, or maybe a bed. But sometimes they see online, they talk to us, then they visit the store, then they finalize.
You have different category of products, right from the inception of the products, like right from they are the raw material reaching to the factory to that finished product reaching to the customer's place. What is an average life cycle of that product you have in your category of in durian as such? Yeah.
Basically, since we have 7 factories in Palghar, so we not looking or waiting for the raw material. It's already there. For door, there is a clean, seasoned doors, woods are there at the factory. So you can talk about the inception of the product. Maybe you can say 45 to 60 days for a product to reach at, site or the house. If it's a customized, otherwise it's not even 3 to 7 days. It's a retail product and it is available. I mean, you just need to transportation time. That's it.
You have this amazing way of converting the projects. You know the technical details and everything. So is that like any other skill also you are currently working on to develop?
I just attended, I think twice or thrice, the Neo workshop for this designing for a office. If you, I mean, you need a different lighting, you need a different color of the laminate. That's all I learned. Hands-on session I did, I think thrice. And then, I mean, there are it's a product line is such, you keep on learning every single day. When it comes to technical, I mean, workstation, if you talk about a workstation, if you talk about the door has an architrave. I'm sure you must be knowing, but I was not knowing as a layperson. But now I know. I mean, so there are so many things. I mean, we need to learn every single day. Then I did something, really, really for this specific time of pandemic. That is a digital marketing, your social media thing, because we cannot meet so many people currently. So how to reach them out? So this is the best way to reach them. I mean, talking to them on LinkedIn and Insta. So that's all. This is the thing. Really working on it. Yeah.
Wow. So, Sangeeta, where do you see this furniture business in India? Like, where is it currently? What is your expectation about what are the changes going to come in coming 3-4 years in India in terms of furniture market or in terms of business? Like, how is it shaping up in India?
Yeah, I will tell you, because we have a certain categories of clients. Every client cannot ask for luxury. Some people looking, middle class people, they are okay. They walk in the store, they'll buy a sofa or buy a dining, they'll go fit with there. But if you talk about little upper middle class or a luxury client, standardization is complete no. Standard product is complete no for them. They look for their theme, they look for their Indo-ethnic, they look for some Zen theme. So customization is the key. That is, I can see in near future. Everybody, if client is ready to pay a premium, so they will go for customization.
Sangeeta, you have also visited many European countries. You have visited
Yeah.
factories as well of multinational companies. How do you see,
Hmm.
how is the setup different than what we have in India? Are we at par with them?
Yeah, basically, if you, I mean, when we talk about the different, companies like Europeans, so I think we should not even compare, because we need to compare apple to apple. This is not, because India has a very different kind of, family kind of, culture, be it a factory, be it offices, corporate. Yes, of course, it is there, but at the same time they have I visited Galeroy and Bock uh, manufacturing unit in Frankfurt, Mettler, that was in Mettler, and then I visited Koiko factory is in Eisenberg. So they have, I mean, they have a very, professional, everything is technically really strong, really, really strong. Everything, the packaging thing, something is coming from maybe 10 feet away, but it is coming to you. I mean, I have seen, I have pictures and
So it's a
all.
lot of
It was
automation
so
basically.
thrilling, so much automation. It's so thrilling to, seeing a product like that and get packed, it come to, and nothing is manual, nothing is manual. And top of that, I can see there are a female age 70 and she's working in the factory wearing a uniform, because age is not a thing there in, they are very, very, if somebody can work, they can work. There's no retirement age in Germany. And you see, when you go in an office now in India, you'll see a super young crowd. But in Germany, I haven't seen. Everybody was almost matured. Even, you call it an office clerical people. They all were so. I can't say old, but they were pretty mature.
India has to like catch on more on these fields. Automation is something an important, more
But
important.
now I don't think so it's going to open it, because earlier it was, but now I think now we will be doing our
Not
things.
that much gap as
Yeah,
such.
we.
Yeah.
No.
Wow, wow.
Yes.
So, Sangeeta, we also have a lot of our audience which are young enthusiast people who wish to build their career into the field of interiors, into the field of product marketing, and they want to become an expert like you. So,
Thank you.
what are your advices for the people who really want to make and shape their career into this field?
Again, I think I'll talk the same thing. The way I started, aim always high, always aim high, and keep working on it. Have, really work hard. And when you stumble, I mean, people stumble. I also have quite a few ups and downs in life, professionally. When you stumble, you stand it up again. When you knock down, just believe in it and don't think about the people who talk negative about your attitude. So just hard work, dedication, I think honesty, first of all, honesty. That is also, and rest of the thing, I think people are really, nowadays, the people who start their career with after MBA and all, they are there. So I think that's the only thing: honesty, dedication, hard
And
work,
hard work.
sleeping work.
So
Hard.
these are
And communication, great communication is the key. That much I felt, because I have the only, I guess, I don't know, I feel that way, because this is the way I can go to anybody. I don't need to see he's a CEO, he's a MD of the company, but great communication is the key for anything. And resting, always exercise.
yeah. So Sangeeta, with that, I am coming to the last question of our session. We are coming towards the end of this year. Obviously, after the pandemic, everything is starting afresh. What is your resolution
Mhm.
for again getting back for the coming year? What are your resolutions you have if you want to share with us?
Yeah, my resolution, of course, it will always first and foremost mask on, first mask on, and
Okay.
then try to achieve what we lack in 6 months. Though it's not easy at all. But since we have our regular clientele, the loyal client,
Mhm.
so they are looking for us. It will be there. Uh, the sale we lost, the contact we paused, we need to retrieve them again and try to build a nice connection with the client, new client as the regular client. That's the only thing I can think at this time
Wow.
to make more of it. And that though it's not easy, again I'm telling, because I don't know when it's going to
Yeah. Okay.
cool down effect of corona. I really don't know.
Yeah, yeah. We really hope that this pandemic has been heavy to each and every one of us worldwide. I
Each and
really, I
everyone,
really,
yes.
I really wish you all the best for all your expectations,
Thank you.
and I really wish to thank you again for taking out time and coming
Mhm.
to our Designs Icon. Your experience, your valuable words of wisdom definitely makes you a Designs Icon. We wish you a lot of happiness and prosperity in the future. Thanks a lot, Sangeeta. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thanks. Bye bye.